Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you hear various people in the Maharashtra government, from ministers to spokespersons, you would really understand that maybe there was an assistant police inspector or a Mumbai police commissioner who were running the state of Maharashtra, because the government says they have nothing to do with it. And with the arrest of Sachin Waze and Paramveer Singh, this Antilla bomb scare truth is all but over. But ladies and gentlemen, the Maharashtra government is getting caught in the Sachin Waze maze as the NIA has been digging deeper into the former cop's role in connection to the Antilla bomb scare case. The Times Now special investigation team is catching up with the probe sleuths who are probing a murky trail and links to Mansukh Hiren death case as well. Times Now is the only channel to speak with the man who was present during the autopsy of this man, Mansukh Hiren, whose admission reveals serious lapses on the part of the police. The autopsy attendant has revealed that the autopsy was not videotaped. Take a look at this candid camera investigation by our team's Rakesh Trivedi.
आतमध्ये होता मला एवढं दिसत होतं की एक कॅमेरा होता दोन पण कॅमेरा नव्हता एक पण नाही होता कॅमेराच नाही ॲक्युरेट नाही ती कॅमेरा जे जेला झाला इकडे नाही झाला त्याचं मेडिकल कॉलेज आहे हे मेडिकल कॉलेज आहे तिथं पण मेडिकल कॉलेज आहे पण तिथं अलाउड आहे पण इथं अलाउड नाही एकही कॅमेरा नाही फक्त कॅमेरामॅन इथं फिरो आपण भारत बाहेर आतमध्ये जाणार काय नाही मला काय वाटलं की संध्याकाळी त्यांचा फॅमिली आला होता ना त्यांनी कॅमेरा वगैरे शूटिंग केलं का शूटिंग केला तिथं केला पीएमला तुम्हाला परमिशन लागतं तहसीलदारचं याचं त्याचं ते लय लोकल काम आहे ते परमिशन येतात तर बॉडी घरी पोचून जातं परमिशन देतात नाही हॉस्पिटल तर्फे पण नाही होत कशाला काय आम्हाला काय गरम असतं डॉक्टर लोकांना कोर्टाचं बरा ते त्यांचं डिसिजन घ्या मी कसं काय घेणार बरोबर मला काहीच जमलं नाही तुम्ही काही कुठल्यासारखं होतं ते ऑफिसर आला होता मागे बोलत होतं काय नाही सगळेच येतात कोण ऑफिसर येत नाही असं नाही.
In the Antilla bomb case, there is no camera that has recorded or videotaped the autopsy of the man who owned the car in which the explosives were laden, a man who is known to be connected to Sachin Waze, the guy who's an assistant police inspector but was in charge of this entire investigation. The person who owned the car dies. Nobody even wants to videotape this. And then there is the maze of the cars. Money, a note counting machine, fake number plates, clothes, and much, much more was found in the car. The most difficult to crack for the NIA was the trail of these cars. First, the explosives-laden Innova, which was found outside Antilla. Mansukh Hiren's Scorpio, which Waze has even confessed driving. Two Mercedes-Benz and a white Prado. Yes, a white Prado. It's an expensive luxury four-wheel drive from which the NIA has made several recoveries, and the NIA is on the lookout for more cars, a blue Mercedes as well and a Skoda. Now, one assistant police inspector linked to this maze of cars. Ladies and gentlemen, if this isn't mind-boggling, then what will be? And then listen in to the Maharashtra government. The Maharashtra government is busy in a fix on the decision of transferring Paramveer Singh and appointing Hemant Nagrale as the new Mumbai Police Commissioner. While the Sena termed it as a routine transfer, the Home Minister of Maharashtra, in charge of this department, has confessed to the truth, denying that the transfer is anything but routine and only an attempt to ensure a free and fair probe because Paramveer Singh had messed up this probe. Listen in first to the Maharashtra Home Minister and then Mr. Sanjay Raut of the Shiv Sena spokesperson, who always reveals more than he is supposed to.
प्रशासकीय बदली नाही आहे ही बदली जे आमचा तपास चालू आहे NIA आणि ATच्या माध्यमातून त्यामधले काही मुद्दे पुढे आलेत की ज्या पद्धतीनं पोलीस खात्याचे प्रमुख म्हणजे मुंबई पोलीसचे प्रमुख म्हणून त्यांच्या पोलीस आयुक्तालय कार्यालयात काही गंभीर चुका त्यांच्या सहकार्याच्या माध्यमातून झाल्या आहेत. त्या चुका माफ करण्यालायक नाही, गंभीर चुका आहेत आणि त्यामुळे त्यांची बदली त्यानिमित्तानं करण्यात आलेली आहे. आता चौकशीमध्ये जो काही अहवाल येईल त्या निमित्तानं पुढचे जे काही असेल त्या निमित्तानं कारवाई करण्यात
नाम नहीं है. लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन की ये बातें चलती रहती है. महाराष्ट्र में सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. कल रूटीन ट्रांसफर है. कल की जो ट्रांसफर रूटीन ट्रांसफर से कमिश्नर को बदला है. नए कमिश्नर ने कहा है कि मुंबई पुलिस की प्रतिष्ठा कायम रखने के लिए जो भी उनको करना पड़ेगा वो करें.
Well, the Home Minister says that there was nothing routine about the transfer. There were mistakes that could not be forgiven. Sanjay Raut says, well, everything is routine and Maharashtra government is safe. Are they out to confuse the public? And I'm asking you the legitimate question. Could both these police personnel, an assistant police inspector and a Mumbai police commissioner, have acted without political backing? That's the real question. And that's the debate. Antilla cover-up truth. The debate coming up.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2. All times now. Super Prime Time.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and my panelists joining me on this debate. And I want to ask you, Ishkaran Bhandari, you're an advocate. Just tell me, if the mistakes were grave in the case of Paramveer Singh, the Mumbai Police Commissioner, then why has the Maharashtra government, the Maharashtra Home Minister, only transferred the Mumbai Police Commissioner? If the mistakes are so grave that he's been removed from his position, shouldn't there have been a suspension or an inquiry pending that, a suspension? Is it just something that you do? Mistakes are made, तो हमने उनको ट्रांसफर कर दिया, होमगार्ड चले गए. होमगार्ड में क्या पिकनिक हो रही है, इश्करन भंडारी?
Navika, it is a very serious case. Let us be clear about one thing. It is a case of terrorism if you plant bombs or explosive outside anybody's house, in this case a leading industrialist. After that, there is a case of a mysterious death of a person who would have been a material witness in that investigation, Mansukh Hirani. Whether that mysterious death is a potential murder, that is also being investigated.
Okay, we seem to have lost the line with Ishkaran Bhandari, but let me ask Kishore Tiwari of the Shiv Sena. Mr. Kishore Tiwari, आप मुझे सिर्फ ये बता दीजिए और महाराष्ट्र की पब्लिक को ये बता दीजिए कि ये परमवीर सिंह का जो ट्रांसफर है ये रूटीन है या एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी है? क्योंकि संजय राउत जी कह रहे हैं रूटीन है और अनिल देशमुख जी जो होम मिनिस्टर हैं जिनके हस्ताक्षर से ट्रांसफर हुआ होगा वो कह रहे हैं कि नहीं, उन्होंने बड़े सीरियस मिस्टेक्स किए थे और ये मिस्टेक्स जो हैं ये माफ करने लायक नहीं थे. अगर ये माफ करने लायक नहीं थे तो ट्रांसफर क्यों किया, सस्पेंड क्यों नहीं किया, इंक्वायरी क्यों नहीं की, बर्खास्त क्यों नहीं किया? इन सवालों का तो जवाब दे दीजिए.
अनामिका, देखिए, अभी आपने मुझे पूछा इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि NIA की एंट्री होना, उसके बाद परमवीर जो जिस बॉम्बे के CP है वहाँ के CIU यूनिट के एक पुलिस अफसर की अरेस्ट होना, ये कोई नॉर्मल बात नहीं थी. तो अब कल चल के अगर पुलिस कमिश्नर की भी NIA इंक्वायरी करती तो उनको हमने स्पेयर किया है और मामला तो हमारे होम मिनिस्टर ने क्लियर किया है. और शिवसेना जो है, तो कल मुख्यमंत्री ने शिवसेना पे बहुत भयंकर ये लगाए, आरोप लगाए. अगर मैं कहता हूं आपके चैनल से कि बीजेपी के पास कोई भी सबूत हो कि यह लोगों का फिरौती से संबंध था या वो जो जिलेटिन स्टिक रखी हुई थी वो बॉम्ब थे कह रहे ये लोग, और ये सब चीजें इन्होंने बहुत सारे आरोप लगाए. लेकिन जिस विपक्ष का नेता खुद CM रहते हुए 302 के अपराधी गुंडे इनको कॉर्पोरेशन पर मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट के रैंक में बिठाता है, उसको क्या नैतिकता है? और चीफ मिनिस्टर बोल के उसने वोट ली.
चलिए, अपनी नैतिकता तो आप समझा नहीं पा रहे हैं, दूसरों की नैतिकता पर आप सवाल उठा रहे हैं। राजीव पांडे जी, आई वांट टू आस्क यू, मिस्टर किशोर तिवारी हैज admitted that they have removed police commissioner because they thought that the NIA will call him and question him. So before the fire reaches the political class, let us remove him और गंगा स्नान हो जाएगा। एक वाजे अरेस्ट हो गया, एक पुलिस कमिश्नर ट्रांसफर हो गया, मामला खत्म, चादर डाल दो। और वैसे भी ये कह रहे हैं कि आरोप लगा रहे हैं, इनके पास कोई सबूत तो है नहीं। सबूत आएगा कहां से, क्योंकि जो आपने ऑटोप्सी की है उसकी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं है, और बाकी चीज आप डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं क्योंकि सीसीटीवी की जो फुटेज है वो सचिन वाजे ने पहले ही टेम्पर कर दिया है। सो राजीव पांडे, I want to ask you, were two police people, one assistant police inspector and one police commissioner, running Maharashtra, or could they have done what they did without political backing?
नाविका जी, ये इनका जो पाप है ना, वो गंगा स्नान करने से भी धुलने वाला नहीं है। नाविका जी, I want to say two things. As you have rightly pointed out, that it cannot be possible that one API and Commissioner of Police is only running the Mumbai Police. Navika ji, what I am saying, Sachin Waje is a foot soldier. Sir, you have conceded. Please, now you keep quiet. You have conceded that whatever is the official line of Shiv Sena, that you are not agree. Shiv Sena is saying it is a routine transfer, and Honorable Home Minister is saying no, he has done a lot of lapses, so we have sent him out. Navika ji, the larger question is what? If Paramveer Singh is a potential threat which can lead that he will affect the impartial probe of these two incidents, I will say three incidents. If he is transferred, he should be suspended, because still he can influence the investigation. That is my point of view. First is the bomb scare. Second point is the destruction of evidence by killing Mansukh Hiren. And third is the murder of Mansukh Hiren. All three cases relates to only one crime, that is the terror. And these terror related issues should be investigated by NIA. And I am telling you that today or tomorrow, even Maharashtra government will realize that he should not be only transferred, this Paramveer Singh, he should be suspended. You know, there was a film, Navika ji, Ab Tak 56, there was a Commissioner of Police, Suchak, and there was a rogue cop, Imtiaz. I think it looks like that Ab Tak 56 film has been replayed in
so Ishkaran Bhandari, I want to ask you, we lost your connection earlier. Ishkaran Bhandari, I want to ask you, if Mr. Paramveer Singh has been removed as the police commissioner of Mumbai, does it really end the matter as far as Maharashtra government is concerned? Because, you know, they can't make up their mind whether it's a routine transfer or it is a extraordinary transfer. They can't say anything about the evidence in this entire case because the evidence has been tampered with. And I want to ask you, can the buck stop at Mr. Paramveer Singh or Mr. Sachin Waze, or can this something like this happen without political backing? And can Mr. Paramveer Singh, sitting in Home Guards, not influence the entire investigation as pointed out by Mr. Rajiv Pandey?
Navika, one good thing about this case is investigation is by NIA, which does not come under the agencies of the Maharashtra government. And I think the connected matters of Mansukh Hiren, as well as the super luxury cars found and allegedly a money counting machine found, they are part incident and should be taken over by NIA from ATS for a fair and just probe. And I do believe legally it would be taken over by them. So the problem, let me finish my last line. The problem is much graver. It is not about suspension. Let us see what NIA does, because it has power of arrest also. And where the buck stops, that NIA will answer, but the buck definitely stops very, very high.
Well, Anand Ranganathan, I want to ask you, Sachin Waze, assistant police inspector in charge of so many high-profile cases that it's not even funny. From Kangana Ranaut to Hrithik Roshan to Badshah rapper to also, a terror case like the Antilla bomb scare case and then many other cases that were going on. Was he dictating his terms? Was he given a free hand? And Paramveer Singh being removed, is that the end of the story as far as the Maharashtra government, which is speaking in so many voices, is concerned? Or is it an attempt, as Mr. Kishore Tiwari is really pointing out, कि हमारी सरकार नहीं गिरेगी? ये कौन सा फेविकॉल है जो इनको कहने देता है कि हमारी सरकार नहीं गिरेगी? एविडेंस क्योंकि इनको लगता है इन्होंने सारा छुपा दिया है, बरी कर दिया है।
मैंने एविडेंस की तो बात
Navika, there are two issues here. Number one,
आपकी मीडिया
sir, what is your profession? Is it heckling? Have you got heckling honors from somewhere? I was listening silently to you. We don't have much time. Please allow others to speak. Thank you so much, sir. Now, Navika, two issues. Number one, I think it is shocking and unacceptable that in such a high profile and sensitive case, the autopsy has not been videotaped of one of the prime suspects. It is unbelievable. Head should roll for this. I mean, if there is such a thing as law and order in this country and people are following it, I think this is the question that everyone should be asking, and I'm so glad you asked this. And it is a headline in Times Now. Why is it that, sir, please don't interrupt. And number two, Navika, because we're running out of time, this is a question that Shehzad asked yesterday, and it's been 24 hours. Are bhaiya, this is not Maharashtra Parliament Assembly. Please don't heckle and interrupt. This is a Times Now studio. Please be quiet. Wait for your turn. यहाँ पे ये मत दिखाइए आप. Navika, the question that Shehzad asked yesterday to you and to the Shiv Sena spokesperson, it's been 24 hours and no one has answered it, and that's the critical question. According to Shiv Sena and the government, when the reinstatement of Sachin Waze was done on grounds of COVID emergency, how many other police officers were similarly reinstated?
Well,
24 घंटे हो गए हैं, इस सवाल का जवाब आपको बता देना चाहिए शिव सेना को।
क्योंकि एक ऐसा इंस्पेक्टर जिसको 17 साल सस्पेंशन में रखा गया था, उनका केस, एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी केस अकेले लेकर उनको रीइंस्टेट किया गया था। और रवि श्रीवास्तव, these are the two basic questions. Number one, the prime suspect, the man who has links with Sachin Waze, the man who is killed, the man who dies under mysterious circumstances, the man who could have answered who put the explosives in that car. This is a terror case. It's not a light-hearted case कि भाई थोड़ी बहुत चोरी हो गई, कोई बात नहीं. This is a terror case, Mr. Ravi Srivastav, or an attempted terror case or an extortion case linked to some terror planning on this score. Ravi Srivastav, no videotaping of the autopsy and no answers on why Sachin Waze is so important. ये क्या महाराष्ट्र सरकार को दिखता नहीं था कि वो तीन मर्सिडीज यूज कर रहे हैं, एक प्राडो है, एक इनोवा है, एक स्कॉर्पियो है, और सब हर व्हीकल जाके पार्क होती है मुंबई पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर्स में?
Navika, let this person named Sachin Waze be found guilty and be hanged. I have no love and affection for him. And the kind of activities he has been doing, I think he deserves a proper punishment for that.
Acha.
Undisclosed income and
Okay. So you want that Sachin Waze should be the sacrificial lamb, और बाकी कोई सवाल पूछा ही ना जाए?
The law will take its own course. What I am asking is, 16 years, why no inquiry was completed? Why is
Well, ladies and gentlemen, law will take its own course is the best line. When that line comes out, you know that there are no other answers available to those who are trying to defend this. The question really is, does the buck stop with these policemen? Or was there political backing and a political hand in this entire issue? It's a question that should come out sooner than later. And if you are a resident of Mumbai, I just want to request you, why don't you just drive across to the Mumbai Police Headquarters and try to park your car inside the Mumbai Police Headquarters? If you're not allowed, then you will know that Sachin Waze was indeed a very special man, and the fact that he used Mercedes of various shapes and sizes and colors, and he used foreign cars, he used Prados, he used Innovas, Scorpios, Skodas at his desires and whims and fancies, and even had an office operating out of a 5-star hotel. Nobody in the Maharashtra government noticed this? Dal mein kuch kala hai? We'll keep investigating this case as we move forward. Thank you very much for joining me on this big debate and on the News Hour tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Be safe. Take all precautions and prevent COVID from spreading.
You are watching the News Hour at 9. Stay tuned.